Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are talking about pumpkin seeds and their excellent health benefits. You might think of pumpkin seeds as a tasty snack, but they are packed with nutrients that can help boost your health. In this video, I will share 7 surprising health benefits of pumpkin seeds that you need to know. Let's get started. Body. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. First up, pumpkin seeds are a great source of nutrients like magnesium, zinc, potassium, and iron. These minerals are essential for various bodily functions, such as maintaining healthy bones and supporting the immune system. Number 2. Support immune system. Pumpkin seeds also contain antioxidants that help to protect the body from free radicals. These antioxidants, such as carotenoids, can help to boost the immune system and keep you healthy. Number 3. Promote heart health. Research has shown that pumpkin seeds can promote heart health by reducing cholesterol levels. This is because they contain phytosterols, which can help to lower cholesterol and improve heart health. Additionally, pumpkin seeds are also rich in magnesium, which is known to help regulate blood pressure. Number 4. Aid in digestion. Pumpkin seeds are a good fiber source, essential for maintaining healthy digestion. Eating foods high in fiber, like pumpkin seeds, can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Number 5. Support prostate health. For men, pumpkin seeds can be especially beneficial for prostate health. This is because they contain zinc, which has been shown to support prostate health and reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Number 6. Help improve sleep. If you're struggling to get a good night's sleep, pumpkin seeds can help. This is because they contain tryptophan, an amino acid that can help to improve sleep quality. Additionally, pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, which can help relax muscles and promote relaxation. Number 7. May reduce inflammation. Finally, pumpkin seeds may help to reduce inflammation in the body. This is because they contain compounds like alpha-linolenic acid, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. So there you have it, 7 fantastic health benefits of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are incredible food, from supporting immune function to promoting heart health and aiding digestion. If you still need to incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet, now is a great time to start. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the following video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.